Welcome. In today's quick guide, I'll show exactly how to enable autoplay GIFs and chats on the Telegram app for PC, especially after the latest update. If your GIFs aren't playing automatically and you want a smoother, more dynamic chat experience, this is exactly what you need. Let's jump right in. First, go ahead and open your Telegram desktop app. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your settings without any issues. Once the app is open, look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Click on that to open the main navigation panel. From there, find and click on Settings. This is where Telegram keeps all the customization options for your account and app behavior. Inside Settings, scroll down a bit until you see the Advanced option. Click on it to access more detailed controls that aren't visible in the basic settings. Now, within the Advanced section, look for the option labeled In Private Chats. This section lets you control how media behaves specifically in your one-on-one conversations. Click on In Private Chats, and here you'll find the option related to GIFs. To enable autoplay, simply turn on the GIFs option. This allows GIFs to play automatically instead of staying static. After enabling it, don't forget to click Save to apply your changes. This step is important, otherwise the setting won't be updated. And that's it. From now on, whenever someone sends you a GIF in a private chat, it will automatically play without you needing to click on it.